We invite you to experience financial freedom and a whole new definition to a grand lifestyle, empowering you to mix business and pleasure at a whole new level. Experience the financial journey and the personal as well as emotional pleasure that can touch your life and the loves of your family and friends, all in one. We bring you CrownLifestyle.net. If you are someone who wants to have an investment package that comes with vacation to hotels worldwide, shopping and dining, beauty and wellness, CrownLifestyle.net has all of these for you. CrownLifestyle.net is an e-commerce that gives its members the freedom and flexibility to earn, shop, save, and transact online. Profit Center, Lifestyle Hub, Virtual Office, and Ticket to privileges and possibilities. Powered by the globally recognized J. King & Sons Company Incorporated, which is known for its contributions and milestones in the industry through real estate development, hotel operations, health and leisure, and now comes its new business unit e-commerce, CrownLifestyle.net. These opportunities are within your reach. Be a business partner now. For only 15,000 pesos, you enjoy a lifetime membership and home resort vouchers good for 2 nights for 4 people that can be used in Cebu or Boracay. You may also use your starter package in any of the following future home resorts: Crown Regency Ridge Hotel in Tagaytay, Kings Island Resort in Mactan, Cebu, Danao, Panglao, Bohol, and Calumbuyan Island in Coron, Palawan. With CrownLifestyle.net, you become a lifetime member with no yearly fees, vacation in style, and get your own personal URL, which you can use as a marketing tool for presentations and transactions. Be an independent user or independent retailer and get the following: a slot in the network level, your own personal URL, CrownLifestyle.net ID, Metrobank pay card, and presentation kit, which includes 1 USB drive with video presentation in English, quick guide, and marketing plan book, and 2 overnight vouchers valid for 4 people at Crown Regency Hotel and Tower, Cebu, or Crown Regency Resort and Convention Center in Boracay. Your CrownLifestyle.net membership allows you to earn via the following: get referral fee direct RFD of 1,000 pesos per direct referral, IR or IU. Get total repeat sales commission or RSC from repeat sales direct or RSD. You'll get 50% of the allocated rebate of a product that you've purchased. Repeat sales override or RSO. As a direct referrer, you get 25% of allocated rebate of your member's purchase. You'll also get equal share of the remaining 25% if you are a direct referrer's upline. Get referral pairing bonus or RPB of 1,000 pesos per pair of 1 left and 1 right. Subject to the following conditions: maximum of 10 pairs daily flush out. The member must refer at least 1 independent retailer or IR every month to continue receiving referral pairing bonus or RPB and reward voucher RWV. And member continues to enjoy the benefits even if there's no referral in a month. Or via points by get referral points of 1 point per direct referral. Get reward points of 1 point for every 1,000 pesos repeated sales. And get reward vouchers of 1,000 pesos every 5th pair. That's a lot of investment for only 15,000 pesos. What's even great about this is the freebies that you get for working hard. Or travel in Asia or anywhere in the world and get free rewards vouchers from any of these hotels. Your potential income is limitless. In line with beauty and wellness, you have the choice to link with Vital C Health Products membership to your CrownLifestyle.net membership. A Vital C starter package is worth 6,944 pesos or 24,000 rewards vouchers. Keep it active monthly just by purchasing Vital C products worth 1,000 pesos or 3,500 rewards voucher. An active Vital C member gets 20% more on referral fee direct. More benefits are up for grabs, up to 20% more on repeat sales direct. Vital C gift certificates can be used in all repeat sales categories of crownlifestyle.net provided that the member is also a member of crownlifestyle.net. It has the same equivalent of the crownlifestyle.net rewards voucher. Wondering how your potential income would look like? Here it is. The crownlifestyle.net is your very own. Work even harder and join the following circle. Or become Hall of Famers and get the following perks. Be a crownlifestyle.net and Vital C member and set yourself on a shopping spree, as crownlifestyle.net features a variety of products you can buy online. What's great is every time you buy, you also earn repeat sales commission. Shop more and earn more to shop more. As a crownlifestyle.net member, your membership card is also a passport to great perks every time you'll enjoy life. Enjoy straight-up discounts at some of these establishments. We will keep adding more merchants for you to enjoy. We'll also offer you some of the hottest deals. So grab them once it's online, because these are limited and there will be different deals for each month. Bring in your friends and their friends too, because for every 10 referrals you make, it entitles you to 1 raffle ticket. These could be yours soon. All these by sharing the business and making everyone successful. See your limitless potential income. Earn, save, refer, and repeat. Enjoy endless opportunities. We're making life better only with crownlifestyle.net. www.crownlifestyle.net. Mobile number 0905-386-8462 and 0932-118-9252, or email us at membership@crownlifestyle.net.